A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant development for pro-Palestinian advocacy in Australia, supporters gathered outside the New South Wales Supreme Court on Friday, as police sought to prohibit a planned rally across the Sydney Harbour Bridge set for this Sunday. Acting Assistant Commissioner Adam Johnson expressed concerns regarding public safety, stating that a gathering of up to 50,000 people at a park before the march would pose significant public safety risks. The court's decision is expected to be announced on Saturday at 10 a.m. The rally, organized by a pro-Palestinian advocacy group, aims to highlight the ongoing humanitarian crisis in Gaza and send a powerful message to the public. However, police have raised alarms about the safety of such a large gathering, regardless of whether the event is authorized or unauthorized. Johnson emphasized that the bridge would need to be closed regardless of the event's status, raising concerns about crowd control and potential crowd crush scenarios. During the court proceedings, the judge noted the presence of around 80 people waiting to enter the courtroom, prompting efforts to organize an overflow room for observers. Barrister Felicity Graham, representing the rally organizers, challenged the police's safety concerns, questioning what measures would be taken if the event proceeded. Johnson acknowledged that managing public safety would be a challenge, highlighting the limitations of Lang Park, where attendees are expected to gather before marching to the bridge. The NSW premier, Chris Minns, faced criticism from within his own party for suggesting that the protest should not go ahead. He acknowledged the public's desire to protest, but stressed the importance of maintaining order in Sydney's streets. The ongoing debate has drawn attention to the political dynamics surrounding protests in Australia, especially those related to international conflicts. Supporters of the protest, including Josh Lees from the Palestine Action Group, expressed determination to proceed with the rally, stating that it is essential to raise awareness about the crisis in Gaza. They argued that the bridge has been shut down for less significant reasons in the past, reinforcing their belief that the protest should be allowed to go ahead. As the court prepares to deliver its ruling, the situation remains tense, with both sides presenting their arguments regarding public safety and the right to protest. The outcome of this legal battle will have significant implications for future demonstrations in Sydney and the broader discourse surrounding activism and public assembly rights in Australia. With the court's decision looming, the pro-Palestinian community remains hopeful, asserting that their cause is grounded in a moral urgency that cannot be ignored. The rally's organizers insist that they are willing to work with authorities to ensure safety, but they remain firm in their commitment to taking action regardless of the court's ruling. As the clock ticks down to Saturday's decision, all eyes will be on the NSW Supreme Court, where the intersection of public safety, activism, and political discourse will be put to the test. The outcome could set a precedent for how similar protests are handled in the future, shaping the landscape of activism in Australia for years to come. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.